Hi students, how are you all? Your exams are just 3 days, 4 days are ahead. So I hope you are studying well. We have come to the quadratic equation chapter now. 3 marks questions I am doing now. Most expected question I am beginning now. That is, a train travels at a speed of it covers a distance of 360 kilometers per hour. So that here we need to find the speed of the train only. So we'll write that first. Let the speed of the train be x. Let the speed of the train be x. Students, almost 3 marks in from every chapter I have covered. So to get that, you need to subscribe my channel. First you do that so that you can score very good marks if you follow all my videos. 2 marks, 3 marks. Definitely you will do well. You can solve all the questions. Let the speed of the train be x. The distance covered by the train is 360 kilometers. And then we know that speed is equal to distance by time taken. So now our time taken will be is equal to d by s. So 360 by x. We call this as 1. Even if you don't call also, it's okay. Now the question what they have told is, if the speed would have been increased by 5 kilometer per hour. That means if speed increases to x plus 5, then it would have taken 1 hour less, they have told. That means now what it will be, t is equal to d by s means 360 by x plus 5. This is equation 2. So what happens with those? Both are equal to t now. So if this was the equation, here it would have taken 1 hour less journey, means we need to subtract. That is equation 1 minus 2. That is the difference in time. That is why we subtract it. So we take now difference in time becomes 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to the difference in time is 1 hour. So solve this now by taking LCM. LCM becomes x into x plus 5. Multiply this by x plus 5 and this by x. So now 360x plus 360 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18 it is minus 360x. This is 360 into x is equal to 1. Now plus 360x minus 360x gets cancels. So 1800 divided by x into x is x square plus x into 5 is 5x is equal to 1. Now cross multiply this with 1 only. 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x, because it gets multiplied by 1 remains same. Now transpose the LHS to RHS. It becomes x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Because we have shifted whatever was there in the LHS. So there it remains 0. We have taken it as 0. Now you can use by formula method or by factorization. Any method you can use, and just you can solve the equation. So what you can use, I am using now formula method. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, C is equal to minus 1800. So I will take minus 5 plus or minus root of minus 5 square becomes 25 minus 4 into A is 1, C is 1800 divided by 2 into 1. Minus 5 plus or minus it is minus 1800. Minus into minus, it becomes now 25 plus 18 fours are 7200 divided by 2. Now minus 5 plus or minus 7225 divided by 2. Now minus 5 plus or minus, I know 7225 square root is 85. If you don't know, you can find it. So it is 85 divided by 2. Minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2, or minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2, or minus 5 minus 85 divided by 2. So this becomes 85 minus 5 is 80 divided by 2, or minus 90 divided by 2. So if 2 ones are 2 40s are. This becomes negative. The speed cannot be negative. So the correct answer is 40 kilometer per hour. Yes, children. As we were studying about the quadratic equations from quadratic equation chapter, the 3 marks question you can also most expected question this also. So that is sum of areas of two squares is 468 meters square, and the difference of perimeter is 24 meters. So first we'll take, let the side of first square be x, and let the side of second square be y. Then area of first square, it becomes x square, because x into x, side into side. Similarly, area of second square becomes y square. So if you write this much, it will be clear to you. Now what they have given, sum of areas of two squares. That means sum of two squares, if we take x square plus y square is equal to 468 meter square. Now similarly, you can take this as first equation. Next, what they have given, perimeters. Anyhow, we know that the sides are x and y. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. The first one becomes 4x. The other one becomes, second one becomes 4y. So the difference they have given, 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. Here you can take 4 common, x minus y is equal to 24. We'll continue now. X minus y is equal to 24 by 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. X minus y is equal to 6, or you can go with the substitution method only, 6 plus y. This is our equation 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Our equation 1 is x square plus y square is equal to 468. Substitute equation 2 in 1. So that is x square means 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. 6 square a plus b whole square 36 plus y square plus 2 into a into b, 2 6 are 12, 12y plus y square is equal to 468. Y square plus y square is 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. Now divide, first you subtract it, 12y. So 468 minus 36, 8 minus 6 is greater number symbol, minus you have to keep. 8 minus 6 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, 432 is equal to 0. Whole divided by 2. Make it simple. Y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. Now you can solve quadratic equation. Now we got quadratic equation, that is y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. Now you have to search the factors. If you multiply, you should get 216. If you subtract, because here it is minus, you should get 6. Yes, children. 18 into 12 you will get. The greater number symbol here, because it is plus, the greater number becomes plus and the smaller number becomes minus. 18 minus 12 is 6. 18 into 12 is 216. Plus into minus is minus. So y square plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 is equal to 0. Now group them. Y common, y plus 18 minus 12 common, y plus 18. Here why it becomes plus? Because when you open the bracket, plus into minus, it should be minus. Now y plus 18 or y minus 12 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 18 or y is equal to 12. So we'll take, because the side of a square cannot be negative, we'll take y is equal to 12. Now our second equation was x is equal to 6 plus y, that is 6 plus 12. So the answer, side of a first square is 18, second square is 12. So that completes the quadratic equation 3 marks question, children. See you in the next video. So that 3 marks only will continue. Some are remaining now. We'll finish that of 3 marks question.